Imagine walking through a dense Southeast Asian rainforest. You expect the smell of damp earth, decaying leaves, and tropical flowers. What you don't expect is the distinct, unmistakable aroma of freshly buttered popcorn. But it's there, wafting from the trees above. The source isn't a hidden concession stand, it's the urine of an animal called a binturong. For years, zookeepers and scientists were baffled by this, until a 2016 study finally identified the exact chemical responsible: 2-acetyl-1-pyroline, or 2-AP for short. This is the very same molecule that makes you think of movie theaters. In your kitchen, creating 2-AP requires heat, a lot of it. When you toast bread, sear a steak, or pop corn kernels, you're initiating something called the Maillard reaction. It's a complex chemical dance between amino acids and reducing sugars at high temperatures, producing a cascade of new flavor and aroma compounds. 2-AP is just one of hundreds of possible products, giving browned food its characteristic savory, roasted scent. It's the reason cooked food smells so different, and often so much more appealing, than raw food. But binturongs don't carry around portable stovetops. So how does a mammal, with a body temperature of around 37 degrees Celsius, manufacture a compound that typically requires over 150 degrees? The answer isn't in the binturong's own cells, but in the microscopic passengers it carries. The animal has a perineal gland located near the base of its tail, which secretes a goopy substance. This gland is also home to a unique community of bacteria. Scientists now believe that as urine passes over this gland, the resident microbes digest compounds within it, producing 2-AP as a metabolic byproduct. The binturong is essentially a walking, furry bioreactor. This popcorn perfume isn't an accident. It's a tool. The binturong uses it for scent marking, a common form of communication in the animal kingdom. They perform a behavior known as squat walking, where they drag their perineal glands across surfaces like branches and tree trunks, painting their territory with this potent, long-lasting signal. The scent can tell other binturongs a great deal: who was here, whether they are male or female, and if they're ready to mate. It's a chemical message board, a status update left for anyone who can read the signs. This unique animal is often called a bear cat, which is a wonderfully descriptive but completely inaccurate name. It is not a bear, and it is certainly not a cat. Taxonomically, the binturong belongs to a family called Vivaridae. This makes its closest living relatives animals like civets and genets, which are also known for their specialized scent glands. In fact, the civet's glandular secretions, known as civetone, were historically a highly prized ingredient in the perfume industry, which is a strange parallel to the binturong's food-like aroma. Beyond its scent, the binturong has other fascinating features. One of its most useful tools is its tail, which is fully prehensile. This means it can be used like a fifth limb to grip branches for stability while climbing. While prehensile tails are common in New World monkeys like spider monkeys, they are incredibly rare among Old World mammals. The binturong is one of the only 2 carnivorans to possess this trait. The tail is long, muscular, and has a leathery patch at the tip for improved grip, acting as a crucial safety line in its arboreal world. The binturong's popcorn smell is a perfect window into the vast, invisible world of chemical ecology. Animals are constantly releasing chemicals, or semi-chemicals, to interact with the world. Pheromones are used to communicate with members of the same species, like an ant leaving a trail for its nestmates to follow. Allomones are chemicals that affect a different species, like the defensive spray of a skunk. The binturong scent acts as a pheromone for other binturongs. But what about other animals? Could smelling like a tasty snack be a disadvantage? This is a genuine puzzle for ecologists. Why would a potential prey animal evolve to smell so appetizing? There are a few theories. One is that the scent is so strong and strange in a jungle environment that it might actually confuse or deter predators rather than attract them. Another possibility is that the benefit of clear communication with other binturongs over vast distances simply outweighs the risk of being discovered. It's a high-stakes evolutionary trade-off between communication and camouflage, where the binturong has gambled on being loud and clear.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.